Board's this like chaotic, like energetic song about just taking life by the reins and just choosing what you want to do and just following through with it completely and wholly, kind of like what we did with music. Just whatever you do, do it confidently, and don't doubt yourself.
Border's a fun one. We wrote that. We had some off time between tours, and we wrote it underneath a bridge. It was kind of the only place that we could get some privacy because we're kind of just couch surfing, staying at friends' houses and stuff. So privacy is hard to come by. But the song kind of showcases this feeling of having so many options that it's a little paralyzing. And I think the kind of moral of the song is just like just do anything. Like there's just pick one thing and ride with it and make it your thing. But